Yes. Can be made. Court. Right. May I please, Lordship? Lordship, in reference to item number 3, Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of petitioner in person, Lordship. His father-in-law is expired, Lordship, so I am appearing for recommendation. Father-in-law expired. Father-in-law.
Okay, when do you want?
Next week, Lordship.
Okay, on request made on behalf of S. Chamari, petition in person in PIL 68 of 2023. List the matter. After 1 week,
Lordship.
But if I fix the date, will
you want, will have it?
Please. Item 1.
There's a Lordship.
Huh?
My lord, we have taken steps, and some of the they are incomplete, and we have not filed the dusty affidavit also. But we have taken the dusty, my lord. My lord.
file that affidavit.
Yes, and some of the respondents are incomplete. Some steps are incomplete.
We have taken custody on all the rest.
Yes,
Huh?
yes,
Completed.
yes.
File that affidavit.
Yes, ma'am. And my lord, the name may
Okay.
be shown as Standing Council Education Department.
Oh. You appearing on behalf of?
Education Department, appellant,
Okay, okay. MS
K. Das.
K. Das, Standing Council, Education Department, submits that they have taken steps for service of notice on the respondents, on the unofficial respondents.
All
How many
private
respondents?
Few of the respondents I am appearing, Your Lordships.
Who?
Few of the respondents
Okay,
I am
all
appearing on the list.
On the respondents, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 16, 18, 19, 20, and 23 by dusty service. She accordingly pays for a week's time
Yes.
to file an affidavit to that effect. Praise allowed, list approved, 1 week.
Leave the obligation.
Registry is also directed to reflect the name of the Learned Standing Council Education, appearing for the applicants in the cost list.
Item 2.
Okay. Please, this matter before any other bench without one of us within bracket, Justice Weekend.
Obligation, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? So as per court order dated 36, Lordship, I ought to have filed on additional affidavit, Lordship. I could not, Lordship, due to the holiday, Lordship. So Madam is fixed on Friday. During the course of the day, I will file additional affidavit, Lordship. Lordship, I am unable to file the additional affidavit, Lordship. During the course of the day, I will file, Lordship.
No, why have you filed this appeal
Lordship,
against the report?
not actually for bringing some records, Lordship. Lordship,
You place it before the single bench.
Lordship may kindly allow us to file one additional affidavit, Lordship. During the course of the day, I will file, Lordship. Madam may fixed on, Lordship, tomorrow or
Okay, we'll take it. Mr.
East Talukder, Lordship.
H. Talukder, learning counsel for the appellant, raised for a week's time.
No, Lordship. Lordship, on Friday, Lordship. Friday. It's an urgent matter, Lordship.
Raised for 2 days' time to file an additional affidavit. Praise allowed. List down. Oh, we can't give a date this week. List after a week.
Published, Lordship.
I am appearing for tribal enforcement.
Mr. Ardhar Leonard, Standing Council,
Standing Council tribal enforcement.
appears for the WBT and
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 5, but they have
Yeah.
not served as a copy till date.
MS.
Matching direct.
Phone number is Lordship.
G. Swami, letter of council, respond number 8,
Thanks so much.
and as for
Five.
ticket for the respondents. For
phone number দিলে যাতে করে just দিলাম। মই জানি।
May please. My lord, on the last occasion,
yes,
this honorable court directed to obtain instruction, my lord, whether the ex officio member, the MP, my lord, concerned MP, has member of parliament, has taken the oath or not. In fact, my lord, we were present, my lord, on 4th, the oath has been taken by the member of parliament. Now, my lord, my submission is the special meeting, my lord, which has been initiated by the requisition, that can be held. But certain observation is required because what has happened, my lord, pursuant to the delimitation, my lord, exercise of 23, the, my lord, composition of the board has changed, my lord. Because now the constituency, the MP, my lord, earlier representing the constituency, my lord, that has changed. Earlier it was Nagaon, my lord, constituency. Now it is Kaziranga and Kaziranga constituency. And secondly, my lord, earlier, my lord, 2 MLAs, my lord, were ex officio members. Now, after the, my lord, delimitation exercise, my lord, 1 MLA is out because, my lord, the Hojai constituency is now excluded. So only Lamding remains. So therefore, my lord, earlier there were 14 numbers of, my lord, members, ward commissioners, including, my lord, MP and MLA. Now, pursuant to the delimitation, it has been increased to 13. So these 13 members, my lord, would be entitled to participate in the, my lord, meeting, and they will be eligible to vote, my lord. So that observation, my lord, may be necessary from your lordships, my lord. Because, yes.
That is already there in the act and rules.
No, act and rules, my lord, in fact, what has happened?
Why should we enter into that aspect?
No, delimitation exercise, my lord, is not part of the act or rules.
Whatever has happened, you have not challenged the delimitation exercise.
No, we are not against the delimitation.
Whatever the composition is there.
Yes.
In terms of the provisions of the act and the rules.
Yes.
The confidence will be.
Yes.
That, my lord, yes, that is absolutely correct.
So you
Well,
do one thing, to
yes.
withdraw this, go before the 11th single judge, because the only point we have come up was the MP had not taken. Now he has
No,
taken up.
that is not the only point. The honorable,
It is against a
No.
denial of an interim order only.
yes, the honorable division bench, my lord, had directed, my lord, the other side to obtain instruction on that point. But apart from that, my lord, the other points are also involved, my lord. The basic, my lord, question is with regard to the composition, my lord.
That you have your writ pending.
My lord.
You have your writ petition pending.
No, my lord, in fact, what I'm trying to submit, the meeting which has been initiated, special meeting, my lord, we have, my lord, no objection to hold. It's a democratic process. That will be held, my lord. As a chairman, my lord, and vice chairman, we are making a statement before your lordships. Meeting will be held. Only, my lord, the observation which is required, that is, my lord, the delimitation exercise which was carried out, that will come into play. Now, the earlier MP does not remain. So he will not be entitled to participate in the meetings.
Participants, you come up before us. They cannot, or what cannot be done as per law.
Yes.
If it is done.
Yes.
that
Then your
will
lordship
be
will,
holding.
absolutely, then your lordship will say it will be held as per law, my lord, and we will hold, my lord, within 10 days or, my lord, within 10 days.
Yes, well, we are giving the, my lord, execution. Now it is more than a month. Actually, within 20 days, we are entitled to call the meeting. We are the accused. So we'll call the meeting.
No, already requisition is issued.
You give fixed a date.
Yes,
we
yes,
give on a date.
yes. Within 10 days, my lord, we will do it, my lord. 18, 17, 18. 18, my lord, 18.
18.
Yes. 18 we will hold. Lordship will only make an observation.
We
That will,
only say that it should be.
No
in terms
observation
of
required,
the
my lord.
act.
Whatever there in the act, my lord, that will be followed. Whatever there is in the act.
And you are calling the meeting.
Yes.
On 18.
Yes.
No.
As agreed
Yes,
to.
we
by
are
the
calling the meeting in terms of 43, my lord.
As
We are
agreed-
calling.
as
No, their
agreed
time is
by the
gone.
parties,
My lord.
The
as
time of
agreed
20
to
days
by
is
the
gone.
parties,
They cannot call
the
now.
Meeting will be held on 18.
18, yes.
Yes.
We'll
My
call the
lord,
meeting tomorrow.
Yes, my lord, only one observation. My lord, that will be done on camera. My lord, because others, my lord,
We
they
will
will.
not go and add anything. You
Yes.
do it in terms of the act and.
Yes.
No, my lord, there will be no evidence if some other persons come and vote, my lord.
That you also
It can be done, my lord.
objection.
It will
Mr.
cause no,
Kulkarni knows how.
my lord, it will not
Kulkarni
cause,
is
my
Very,
lord,
very into this thing, so he knows how to.
my lord, my respectful,
highlight those things.
my respectful submission is, My lord, that is not going to cause prejudice to either of the parties if it is done on camera. my lord.
Does he not believe the own commissioners and others? My lord? No need of camera.
As per the- as
Here
per-
it is. It is not a special case.
So on 18th, my lord.
No,
Deeply
no,
obliged.
we'll come to meeting. We are calling the meeting.
No, we say both of you have agreed to have the meeting on 18,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Have the meeting on 18 in terms with the provisions of the act. and rules.
My lord, that is the chairman will call in terms of 43. New, my lord, requisition they have initiated.
Requisition 20 days over.
No.
Yes.
My lord, there is, it is stayed, my lord, by this honorable court. Requisition is under stay.
Okay,
So
we'll
that
say that
invitation-
you are calling
Yes.
the meeting on 18.
Yes, my lord, correct.
Call the meeting.
Yes, my lord.
Because my lord, what they are thinking of, my lord, what the information I got, my lord, they are leaving out some of the members
They
that
can't-
they cannot do.
All will be.
All, my
Then
lord.
pass orders.
So very existing, my lord, they will be present here.
So we will hold, my lord, on 18th.
Yes.
Respond, appellant number 1, my lord. Obliged, my lord, deeply obliged.
So this was the, my lord.
Item 6.
IAS also this.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, Mr. Guya, leading counsel of the matter, Lordship, is on lag, Lordship. So kindly take up after some time.
Yeah. The petition is not big deal.
Lordship, let him come, Lordship. He's on lag. Lordship.
Seven.
Lordship, similar price for Lordship, item number 7 also.
Okay.
Right, Lordship.
Hey. Yes. Is the petitioner a river specialist?
Sorry.
River specialist.
Yeah, he is,
He has a piggery farm interest also in piggery. Big business, piggery.
yeah. I'm told he has. My lordship is has acquainted. In any other branch, lordship, I need to be posted. Well, the sooner is the better if it is posted. Okay, if it is posted, no.
Item 9.
Yes. My lord, we have preferred this writ appeal against, my lord, page number 40.
Page?
Page number. Judgment is at page number 21, my lord. 21. The writ, petition, my lord, we have assailed our cancellation of my appointment letter. Thereafter, my lord, because it was cancelled on the ground that on 2 grounds, my lord. I do not fulfill the criteria, my lord, of the advertisement, as well as, my lord, I have submitted different types of, my lord, this salary slips. My lord, later on, my lord, here. Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, we have submitted, my lord, before the honorable court, my lord, single judge, that, my lord, actually, my lord, we fully that qualify the period of my lord experience. Why so, my lord? I have a qualification, I have experience of 17 years in total in 2 universities, my lord. And the criteria called for was 10 years. That is our regarding the qualification. And second, my lord, there was an allegation in that, my lord, cancellation letter that we have submitted 4 types of different types of pay slip. My lord, if your lordship go through the pay slips, lordship will find. But now October, November, December, 2 months, 3 certificates were submitted before the authority. Only the month was different because we want to show consistency of the 3 months. Thereafter, my lord, I was asked to submit one certificate to show the bifurcation and breakups. Then thereafter, my lord, we have submitted that. So that part also we have qualified. My lord, here lordship will say,
In the case of review,
my lord, first, the scrutiny committee. My lord, my lord, first the scrutiny committee, 3 persons were there, my lord. They have cleared my all the qualification biodatas, my lord. Thereafter, panel of interviewers were there. There also it was cleared, my lord.
what is the qualification required?
My lord, qualifications required.
Page?
Page, my lord. 91, my lord.
I think it's 56.
Page number?
Cell number 3,
66, yes.
Roman 2,
Yes.
correct?
Yes, my lord. 63?
56, 56.
56. Yes, my lord, those for post of librarian, my lord, at least 10 years, 10 years as a librarian in any level in a university library, or 10 years of teaching as an assistant, associate professor, experience as a college librarian. Then evidence of innovative library services.
So, you served as librarian for how many years?
My lord, for total for a period of 17 years. I have stated that in my writ petition, my lord, at page.
I think it's 9 years. isn't it?
No, earlier also, my lord, I have worked in 2 universities, my lord.
9 years and deputy librarian as?
Deputy level for 10. I have stated as
Anyway,
yes, my lord. That it was indicated. My lord, applied for the post of in terms, my lord, he joined in the university, that MIT University in 14/8/2025. Prior to that, he was working as librarian in the Mahavir Institute of Technology, Meerut, from 3/7/2006 to 13/8/2015. My lord, but if we go here, there's a, my lord, the crux of the matter was that they say, my lord, it is in accordance with that he has to be a librarian, not a deputy librarian, my lord, because it is at any level. My lord, what we understand, my lord, we have also submitted before the honorable single judge, my lord, that when we go through the, my lord, UGC norms, my lord, UGC norms, my lord, it says, my lord, a librarian of a college is equal to that of a deputy librarian of a university. So at any level, my lord, we understand, my lord, three level of, my lord, librarians, university assistant librarian, that is oblique college librarian. Same, my lord. Lordship will see at page 60. Oh, my lord, may I please? Please. My lord. Yes, page number 27. এখন দিব পরে।
What do you have to say on this? Librarian would be anything.
MET lordship, MET, if go by that level is just, we have no. Otherwise, lordship, that particular Mirat Institute is not a technological institute. Lordship. It's not a university. Lordship. I don't like kindly page 56. Are required qualifications. Lordship.
At any level.
At least 10 years of librarian at any level in the university library. Lordship. 10 years. Or 10 years of teaching as an assistant or associate professor experience in the college library or college librarian. He should be a college librarian for 10 years, or he should be associate professor for 10 years period, or he should be a librarian at any level in the university level. In the Mirat Institute, he was neither a lordship librarian, neither a professor. In that particular institute, he was neither a associate professor. Mirat Institute. So that part, it's a private institute, that part cannot be counted. Otherwise, level, it's a Milot only is a gate fellows. Level 13, 14, 15, 16, it's a gate fellows. This is the level loss. Otherwise, that particular salary slip loss, the first he was submitted in the application as a consolidated loss. Consolidated, it cannot be a loss gate pay loss. His first declaration is consolidated.
3,000,
Lordship. At first, is a consolidated pay loss.
43,000.
Only 42 lakhs, 42,000 something consolidated pay. Consolidated pay cannot be a gate pay lawsuit. This is the
So
issue.
MET, how much, what is the service of MET?
9 years. 9 years. Sir. And even MET is the pay certificate which is submitted by him, lordship. It's a consolidated pay lordship. It is neither a gate pay nor a lordship. After that, he
You
is
have not specified any grade pay here.
lordship, advertisement, no, but the form of the advertisement lordship. It is there lordship.
Where?
In the application, it is not a next year. Otherwise, the application form which was submitted, there was a column lordship. There was a column.
He has brought his application form.
Lordship.
I have annexed them, my lord, affidavit in opposition, there it is, my lord.
Page?
Please. Yes.
Affidavit from lordship.
Lordship, it is annexed by us, lordship. My lord, may kindly peruse page
98.
98, lordship. 98, lordship, 19, column 19, lordship. It's a basic pay, per month, pay ban, GP, AGP, lordship, all are consolidated, lordship.
May I submit, my lord? My lord, that is why they have asked for a breakup, my lord. Page 111, my lord, from their affidavit itself. We have given the breakup, my lord. This is not consolidated. Now, when they have called for, my lord, breakup, we have given that bifurcated one, my lord.
That cannot be, lordship. It's a issued by the certificate by a director HR, lordship. They tried, lordship, it should be equivalent to the agency's lordship P revised scale of pay, lordship. As because when we objected it, they have lordship bifurcated it. And even lordship that UGC also lordship SRA 4140 is not there, lordship. And DNS allowance 8280 is not there, lordship. Then my lord may kindly come to lordship. Again, lordship may kindly come to next page, lordship. Other 2 pages, I will. (108), lordship. What page number 108, lordship? Page number 108. It's a computer generated, lordship. The pay slip issued by the MIT University. So my lord may kindly come to last portion. Basic 19,500, convenience 1,600. Then lordship special allowance 21,287, lordship.
Grade pay is not.
Nothing is there, lordship. Nothing is there.
My lord,
Nothing is there.
that is in 111. When they have asked for, my lord, bifurcation, we have submitted that, my lord. It is in their affidavit. Page number
They have
111.
the documents which the petitioner submitted, we have annexed all the documents as because there is a varieties of documents, lordship. Once occasion when they have applied, lordship, a consolidated pay, after pay slip, lordship, he defined pay
Has the
slip is,
post been filled up now?
lordship,
The post that is there, has it been filled up?
lordship, that part I have not obtained instruction. Otherwise, lordship, the process is almost complete, lordship.
selection process is complete.
It started, Lordship.
Start.
Otherwise, Lordship, they have only, if Lordship want to issue notice, Lordship can issue notice, as well there is no stay also, Lordship, and Mr.
Yeah.
Paul.
But Mr.
PH Hazarika.
T.H. Hazarika, then the council. She got this. You appearing for?
Lordship, I am for the sports university 2, 3, and 4, and my brother is for 1, Lordship.
Mr. Your double darling, standing council, higher education, equation, second number 1. And Mr. K. Gubay, the
Standing councillor, only to the sports university, Lordship.
So now, I mean, what you got, sports university, support. Appears for responders, 2 and 2, 3.
2, 3, and 4, Lordship.
When do you want?
Anything, Lordship.
2 weeks?
Lordship,
That's a matter for admission hearing after 2 weeks.
oblige, Lordship.
I'm deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, an speaking order, my lord, under the Life Insurance Corporation of India, my lord.
So, where is the Peabody law?
My lord, my lord, that's the, we have also inquired, my lord.
You should go before single bench.
We have inquired, my lord, but the authority says in the registry that these are the matters now being by the, generally the earlier matters, my lord, had been considered by the single judges, my lord.
Oh.
My, my lord,
Is there
Situation is also-
notification?
and my lord, registry may verify and can place before the appropriate bench.
So,
My lord,
let us say, consider the issue. But the order of the learned single judge.
my lord,
Directing them to consider your case,
my lord,
and if already considered, to communicate that order to you.
my lord.
The speaking order says that even in 2017, your case was considered and rejected.
My lord.
This is just a reiteration. You have not challenged that orders.
No, that 2017, my lord, that has not been communicated, my lord.
They
That's
say
the
here-
problem. But it is their stand, my lord, but I have not received, my lord, any such order, my lord.
Have you made a statement somewhere?
Lord, that I am required to verify, my lord.
Cursorily, I have not found.
No, is my lordship has gone from, my lord, I am helpless, my lord. And in that case, my lord, I will make an additional affidavit. my lord, clarifying that.
Yes, sir. Oh, we just changed that. Heard Mr. A. Brian and the council for the petition. It's to directed to verify
In the post,
and list the matter before the appropriate bench.
before the appropriate bench.
Let them verify.
Obliged, highly obliged.
11.
Immediate Lordship, in the column of the reply, whether they have filed, wants to file the reply or not, Lordship.
Maybe.
Then Lordship may posted it for hearing, Lordship. We have a case, Lordship. We have a case.
My lord, it can be heard, it will take only 2 minutes from my side, my lord. They don't have any case. They can't blow hot and cold at the same time. Giving a
That
consent order,
part-
my lord,
that
giving
part
a,
hearing
no, no,
column.
what I'm saying, giving a consent order before this honorable court. What they have said, that has been uttered by this honorable court and the right was created to me. Now they turn up and in this appeal, they say, no, we cannot do it. But in between, their, my sanctioning order and everything was already passed. That can't be done, my lord.
That can be done as because it is not attained finality, Lordship.
Yeah.
At
No,
the relevant
I'm
point,
saying-
at the relevant point, it is not finality. They not come for the contempt also, Lordship.
Gogoi,
Lordship,
we'll hear it some other day.
Lordship, Lordship.
Today there may be some developments.
Otherwise also it is a lordship, column is not hearing column lordship.
Yeah, it's not. Are you filing reply? No reply.
No.
Okay. On request made by the parties. Yes,
My lord, let it be on Thursday.
Not this.
After 1 week,
My lord, would your lordship be pleased to fix the date, my lord? Next Tuesday then,
2 weeks, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Some difficulty is there.
Lordship will be there, don't worry. He's saying lordship will be there. He's saying lordship will be there. I want that to be done. Deeply obliged.
Yeah.
Item 6. My lord, any date given?
No.
Deeply obliged.
Uh, 14th to no?
My lord, may I please
You
again?
have challenged 14,
My lord, no other options left, my lord.
fine,
My lord.
read 14. There is happening. You are not an assistant headmaster. You
Well-
are, you are an assistant teacher.
Correct, my lord.
You are not an assistant headmaster.
No.
Read 14 to be. You are challenging the proviso.
My lord,
Page
they
one.
provided further that provided that the graduate teachers should include, no, my lord, we are agreed. Basically with the, my lord, the graduate scale of pay which had been provided to.
Your challenge is only to 14.2. Your challenge ought to have been 14.1 proviso.
Provided that the seniority of the graduate teacher shall be determined from the. Correct for this. এনাকে আমাদের বরবাদ হয়ে যাবে একবার।
37.
Yes, my lord, declare that the proviso of the rule 14(2), it should be 14(1), my lord, proviso, my lord. My
The
lord,
whole petition is 14.
my lord.
This is not maintained. Because you are not covered by 14.2. That is less than an instant.
That is correct, my lord, that is correct. 14(1), my lord, yes, my lord is absolutely, my lord, our grievance, my lord, is that the 14(1) proviso says the graduate scale of, my lord, that
Present the challenge is not.
pleading is not
You
there.
do it
Fine.
with liberty.
My lord.
Yeah, Buyan and the council. Press for withdrawal of this. Liberty to file. Who appears on the other side? Mr. MS.
Yes.
What? The government advocate appears to the respondent of. With dismissed and withdrawn with liberty as per.
7.
My lord, a similar matter is pending wherein, my lord, notice has already been issued. My lordship is already examining. Our grievance, my lord, is that, my lord, by amending the rule, only the honors mathematics has been given the advantage for the applying in the subject of mathematics, my lord. That is under challenge, my lord. My lord, WPC 2353 of 2025, my lord, fixed on 25/7/2025, my lord. 20, my lord, 2353 of 2025, fixed on 25/7/2025, my lord. Coming month 25th. My lord, so this matter can be.
But
My lord, I have come from a source, my lord, that this has been relaxed, my lord. If my learned friend on the secondary department.
yeah, Buyan and the council. Issue notice. MS. Yeah, so, no.
But I shall inform them.
You're the secondary education.
Lordship, therefore I shall inform them.
SMT Chistik and
Who is the secondary education?
generally SMT Chistik
Sis-
or my lord, are
SMT 60's name is.
Yes, and this is still an standing council. Full education department appears on the other departments. One stop. This the matter on 25/7/2025. Along with WC 2353 of.
my lord, kindly we fixed it on, my lord, 25/7.
That's
My lord. Highly obliged. Highly obliged.
Deeply obliged.